Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video is a dealer training video, a quick simple one on changing the position of the starter motor cable. Zontes have decided to change the position, so check your bike if you want to. This shows you how to do it on the Zontes 350e scooter. Please like and subscribe. I always answer comments. View our playlist for over 1,000 videos on how to do certain things to your motorbike or scooter. This is Man Mick signing off.
Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light, but I can also see the bones decay.